Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video I'm at the Dollar Tree because I know there is plenty of new things. As we can see, look what they have, tons of nautical, and I'm so excited that they brought this back this year in full swing. Definitely seeing lots of items, so let's jump right into it. And this belongs up here. I'm a little short, so don't mind me, but as you can see, I'm trying to put things back. But yeah, so let's start off here. This is gorgeous little rope. I'm getting so many different ideas already. If you guys are nautical fans, you're absolutely gonna love this theme this year because they're blowing it out. And I know my story is this is just a portion of what's out there, so definitely keep watching because there's gonna be a lot more, and I'm here all for it. So all right, so the things I'm seeing are these gorgeous stickers. So if you are a crafter, they definitely have some stickers. They have some paintbrushes here. I think they're gonna have a lot more. Actually, they're gonna have some items here where you'll be able to paint. And as you can see right there, they have the little paintbrush holder, and I'm loving these right here. Even if you don't have a yard, I realized you can actually take off the little back end and actually still hang him, or even you can even cut the wire to make it shorter, so that way you can kind of adjust to your liking. So you can even have it for inside your house as well. And look at that one, ahoy. Oh, that's cool. For a second I thought it was the pins from the bowling alley. That's funny. And look at these I absolutely love. They are little chalkboards with the galvanized frame with the nautical theme. Again, absolutely gorgeous. I'm really excited that Dollar Tree decided to blow this out this year. I know last year they had it in very limited stores, and I really like this one as well. This is very thick actually, so some of these items I'm very impressed by. If you guys are interested in me doing a giveaway for nautical theme, let me know because I would gladly do this, and I know things are gonna go fast. So comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway like that. And I look at those that they kind of have those have the stars standing out, so it kind of looks like 3D. And they also have this one as well, the circle version of the chalkboard. And let's keep looking up here. I like these little wind signs. I think these are the ones that you would be able to paint. And just keep in mind, these are a little bit on the thinner side, so just note that they're a little thin. These I'm not too crazy about. I feel like they could have done a little better with the string. I feel like it just feels like it's incomplete. Maybe this is me. But I don't know, you guys let me know down in the comment section. They just feel a little too flimsy. I feel like they just could have done a little better, similar to the ones that you did for Easter. And I love this one. It says sea. Again, you can definitely paint those. And these mermaids, my God, you guys, these are gorgeous. I'm not big on like doing nautical theme things, but however, I feel like this would definitely be a hot item. And I may actually get some of these items for myself. Maybe even do like a little aquatic themed coffee bar for the summer. But I know there's a tons more to cover, so I don't want to get too far ahead yet, because I know that there is 4th of July somewhere in the store. I did hear when I walked in, they let me know because I'm VIP. I'm just kidding. I just happened to hear. But yeah, look at these and tons more. This one says home. I know I did see a couple of these last week at a different store. This is my secret location that I like to come to sometimes. This one says find me by the sea. Beach days are the best days. Relax, absolutely gorgeous. These are, oh, and look, they even have this so you can, if you want to paint, if you want to feel like you're by the sea, you're painting. And there's ribbon, you guys. Okay, I think I really have to do a giveaway with these because I know so many of you are going to love this, and I know many of you are probably going to say you're not getting this stuff at your stores. So that is my way of giving back to you and helping you get some of this stuff. So definitely let me know down in the comment section if you want to give away. I will gladly do one next week. So make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you do hit the bell notifications, so that way if I do post a video, you'll know that I'm posting it and you won't miss out. And I do like these boats as well. They have the kind of corrugated panel. Very nice. It gives it a lot more dimension. And actually, one of my really good old friends absolutely loves nautical, so I'm going to give her a text and let her know, hey, come to Dollar Tree, because she's going to clean the house and decorate her house with all these nautical things. And let's keep looking over here. Tons more to soak in. I'm just literally overwhelmed by the amount of awesome items that they have. And I really can't believe these are all $1.25, because I feel like a lot of this stuff at the 99 would have been way more. And I love these signs. Welcome. They're pretty good, good size. I do like the ones that are just plain, because you can actually kind of just write your own message. And let's keep looking. Again, lots to take in, so I'm trying to take my time, trying to go slow. Don't want to rush the process. And I definitely want to make sure you guys feel like you're hanging out with me, where we're all shopping together, you know, all several thousands of us just hanging out. Relax beach fixes everything. Breathe, mermaids have more fun. Just beachy. You guys, I can't even say anything enough about these things. I am just overwhelmed and excited by all of the cool things that Dollar Tree has been rolling out, and is going to continue to roll out, because I got a peek at what they have coming, and I'm just so excited because there's way more that they're going to be putting out as they kind of clear out Easter. And look at these. Again, always to put my little disclaimer in here, these are more for decorative. Do not try using them in the kitchen, because they will burn your hand. Trust me, I know from personal experience. But I absolutely love these. I do like the fact that the second one is more of like a backdrop towel, so you can kind of like stagger them. And these salad bowls, amazing. $1.25. Definitely can't go wrong. A pretty nice little bowl for the salads. And of course, you had your gorgeous napkins. Again, you have the ones with the writing on it, and the ones with the solid, not solid, but with the background. I like that one better. Wish upon a starfish. And let's look. These definitely give me that seaweed vibe. Oh my God, Dollar Tree, you are getting an A+. I'm telling you, A+ this year. And look, even more just... Oh, very nice. Oh, these would be perfect for the bathroom. We could really kind of spread out the theme this year, you know, especially if you live in a beach town. You would probably go crazy. Oh, and you guys, I would highly recommend you get those little those blue bottles. Definitely a good deal. Definitely good. They hold up a lot of water. You just have to probably buy more, you know, just to buy a couple, because after a while they get a little gunky. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix something back here. And let's look. Oh, you guys, no way. Oh, I love the detail on these. Holy cow. This is definitely giving me like crab legs, 4th of July themed. Oh my God, so many different ideas. Definitely a must pick up if you guys are into like crabs or lobster. If you want to do that kind of type of thing for 4th of July, you know, this could be a nice little 4th of July mix. You know, like you have a boat, get your boat shoes on. Even if you don't have a boat like me, like most of us, you know, still, hey, you could still pretend, you know, it's free. Shore living, okay, I like that. And these pillows, I'm not really sure how you would use them, but hey, probably just hang them somewhere. And of course, they have the little stars. Oh, really, Dollar Tree, I love the detail. They literally thought of everything, literally everything. So, all right, look at these. Wish upon a starfish. Wow, I'm just so overwhelmed by the detail that Dollar Tree has put into this stuff. And they also have tons of summer. I know there's going to be a lot more like, quote, generic summer coming out. I know that this is sort of just the beginning, because I know that they just put out or just put away Easter. So they are just kind of starting to roll out. And this is all one store. So I'm sure other stores are going to get more or different things. So we'll definitely be hitting up several locations throughout the weeks. So as new things come in, I'll definitely be able to show you guys everything that is hitting overall at Dollar Tree, so you can kind of know what to look for and what, you know, kind of make your wish list. I do like these banners. My friend and I are actually talking about doing a little big barbecue. So I may be picking up some of these items. So we're talking about doing like a little sangria bar and a few other things. So we just have a little party in the works. Summer. Oh, I like that with the little nomies. Oh, that's cute with the scuba diving. That is hilarious. And this one says, welcome. Oh, you guys, I am just so excited for summer. I have big plans coming up, and I can't quite go into detail just yet, but trust me, I have big things coming, and I just can't wait for summertime, because they're just around the corner. And I love those. And of course, I'm going to be grabbing a couple of these as well, especially the pineapple ice tray. You guys know I love my pineapples. And yeah, so this is just a little bit of a sneak peek of what is coming in for summer. But again, I will be hitting up more locations as the weeks come, as the weeks progress. So keep your eyes peeled. And 4th of July is here, you guys. Okay, this is literally just a little glimpse of what is coming, because there is a lot more. And I'm just overly excited about these towels. And they have these gorgeous wooden spoons, but these towels are going to go fast, so grab them while you can, because I have a feeling they're not going to last, because that is definitely a new item from last year. And I am seeing a couple items repeats from last year as well. A lot of this 4th of July items are from last year, so I'm not going to go into great detail on those, but definitely still want to show you everything that I am seeing, like these drawstring bags. And these are brand new this year. They are like way smaller than the Easter ones and even the Valentine's ones, but still little nomies. How stinking cute. I have a feeling these are going to be a hot item, so grab them while you can. All right, let's continue on and see what other items we can find here in the 4th of July section. Again, this is all in one store. So this is one of the smaller stores in my area, but I'm still going to be hitting up more locations throughout the next few weeks as the summer stuff comes out, because I'm just so excited, and I know there's going to be tons more coming out, like these lawn signs. These are also new from, these are definitely new. Let's see, I think this is a 3-pack, or is it a 2-pack? I want to show you guys both versions. I think there's 3. All right, let me just try to separate them to kind of show you a little better of what they look like. There we go. Oh, it's a 2-pack. Oh, yeah, so it's 2. Okay, so okay, look at that. How funny is that? That is so cool. Again, you can definitely take the stick off. You can even just hang them inside your house. But yeah, those are definitely new. And I know these are back from last year. So, and of course, you got to have your little flower things for the garden. And they have our signage, which again, I think are from last year. So definitely a lot of repeats from last year for 4th of July, but there could be a lot more. All right, they're also starting to put out all of their graduation stuff. So I guess obviously each store has colors based on the local high school. I didn't go to high school here in California. Obviously, I went in New York, so I don't really know what the colors are out of here. But definitely want to show you what's being rolled out so far. So not too much yet. I did ask, and they said they have a lot more coming. The manager did confirm, which is what I knew, was that they're still putting away Easter stuff, and they're just trying to kind of tighten things up here. But definitely want to just show you everything that I am seeing. So yeah, just so excited. All right, and they also have the barbecue stuff here as well. Pretty cool. And again, this stuff is from last year, I believe. So I'm not seeing anything too new. I want to say these are from last year. Grill, eat, chill, and repeat. Yeah, these are the ones from last year. They have that spaceship texture. Again, I wouldn't use those for the actual grill, just more for decorative. But these tools you can never use. These are actually good. And if you need some flip-flops, they have these as well. They don't have men's. I did ask, and they said the only sizes they carry flip-flops and these patterns are for women. The only ones that they do carry for men are the plain generic ones, which is kind of sad because, hey, you know, I enjoy myself a little flip-flops with pineapples on them, but my giant foot won't fit in it. That's the closest one that I can find, which is a size, I think, 9-10 for women. Yeah, but I don't think that's going to fit me. But either way, still want to show you everything that I am seeing. But again, if you want me to do a summer giveaway, let me know. I will gladly do it next week. And let's check out some non-summer items. I know these were such a hot item last year. I want to say this butterfly one is really nice because I feel like you could probably put little flowers in there and make your own in-house garden. Even this one, just, you know, kind of having a little theme of galvanized garden. That'd be kind of cool, especially if you don't have a garden like myself. You could probably use items like these just to kind of give a little bit more personality and more just overall feel. And look at these. Why ask when you can, what does this say? Why ask why when you can ask wine? Oh, I get it. Life is better with a dog. All you need is love of a cat. Oh, these are cute. I think I saw these last week. I want to say I saw them last week. I can't remember. But yeah, these are so stinking cute. This is our story, our life, our home. Very nice. I always love these motivational signs from Dollar Tree. And I definitely saw these last week. These are the little for your succulents. How cute is that? And they're actually bigger than I expected. All right, guys, so I do have a little surprise giveaway. A few weeks ago, I know I shared this on my YouTube stories or in YouTube posts. I forget. Well, anyway, so I'm doing a giveaway this week. I'm giving away $50 cash and on a like Visa gift card for gas. I I teamed up with a nonprofit a few weeks back, and I donated $500 to give away to 10 veterans and senior citizens, so they could get gas. So about $50 worth of gas per. So about 10 people participated. So I gave away $500 there. And as a way to give back to you guys, I know gas is so expensive right now. I'm going to be giving away one $50 gift card, Visa gift card, so it's basically like cash, to one of you guys. So the rules are really simple. 1, you must be subscribed. 2, like this video. And 3, comment happy summer, and that will let me know that you guys got to this part of the video and you follow the rules. And then next week I will be announcing the winner, and also announcing next week giveaway for the summer giveaway. So again, you guys, simple rules are really simple. You want to enter to win a $50 Visa gift card for gas. Just, like this video, be subscribed, and comment summer fun, and that will let me know that you want to be entered into this giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great evening, and I will see you very, very soon later this week. Bye.